Today, I want to take you through how to use ChatGPT, and let's create a campaign for a specific lead type. What I want to focus on is some of the prompt engineering that I would use to be able to help you create that yourself. And then it's an easy process for you to take that content and integrate it into any CRM. So let's have some fun. Let's get started with some of our prompt engineering and writing. Step number one is to ask the AI to act as an expert type. Now, copywriting is a term. You should take a look at it. You should just type it into ChatGPT and say, what is copywriting and how does it work? And let's take a quick look at what that says. So if I was to ask ChatGPT or AI to act as an expert copywriter, that's the art and science of writing text known as copywriting, marketing, and advertising. Effective copywriting grabs attention and engages the audience and motivates them to act. So my friends out there, if you wanted to use AI to create a marketing or sales or an influential message that produces a result, we should probably ask the AI to act as an expert copywriter first and foremost. Okay, so step number two is to actually ask the AI, what does it know about Realtor.com? And we also want to ask about someone who is requesting more information on Realtor.com. So let's ask the AI what it knows about this particular platform and what it knows about this audience. Let's just see what it says. So services Realtor offers to real estate agents is an MLS integration. This is a lead generation service, delivers leads directly to real estate agents based on their local markets. Agents can receive buyer and seller inquiries from potential clients who view their listings or search for agents on the platform. Okay. OpCity referral program explains that. Great. Okay. CRM and tools, fine. Okay. And then agent profiles, good idea. Market insights, great. Virtual tours, excellent. Content, additional resources. Why real estate agents use it, massive reach, lead generation, credibility, brand building, data analysis. Good. Today's episode is sponsored by my favorite virtual assistant hiring company, Sphere Rocket VA. I've created a great relationship with them, so I'm very proud to offer up a sponsorship link for those of you like me who are looking to build their digital marketing team. I currently have 3 virtual assistants, one to help me manage my coaching business and all the admin, and then one video editor, and then one to help me with my digital marketing. If you are looking to build a nice little team, Sphere Rocket VA is absolutely worthy of your choice. Once you schedule an appointment, the link down below, I will shoot you over an email with all of my resources and the information to the VA Digital Marketing Mastermind that you can come join. So I look forward to connecting with you and helping you build your digital marketing VA team. So what do you know about the leads that realtors buy from Realtor.com? So now we can actually reference with the AI Realtor.com and it would know it. And we can also reference Connection Plus leads. So we've kind of been building our prompts. Let's ask the AI in the same thread if it understands what a fully automated campaign is. Let's just see what it says regarding best practices, and let's see if it understands what we're talking about. So here we are. Yes, it did. Segment your leads. Use your CRM to create segments like new inquiries, long-term nurture prospects, buyers versus sellers, and homeowners who have expressed interest in the value of their home. Now it understands that we could ask it to act as an expert copywriter for Realtor.com home buyer leads and help me craft a multi-channel follow-up campaign for text message and email. And it would now understand everything that I asked with clarity. So that is a pretty cool step. Leads go through different stages before they're ready to buy or sell. Create a workflow based on their progress through the lead funnel. Immediate response, educational content. Nurture sequence, of course, is really where the success of a low-cost internet lead happens in the 12 months to the 18-month follow-up campaign. We want those tools to help us to actually nurture a lead automatically property for up to 2 years. That way we can maximize the return on investment. Drip campaigns keep your leads engaged over time without requiring mutual effort, allowing you to focus on hot leads while still nurturing others. Good idea. Start with a welcome email. Send them regular property updates, home buying tips, and market insights over time. I think if we could accomplish just that one thing, we would then have relatively good success. All right, so let's complete the final prompt and let's see how this worked. Act as an expert copywriter for a real estate agent about realtor.com, Connection Plus home buyer leads to help me create an automated text. And I did give it a specific outcome. I had to train it. Hey, we want this type of outcome. Follow up on property interest, right? Day 4, home buyer guide. Okay, so we're going to tell the AI that we do not currently have a home buyer's guide, which we could very easily create one on ChatGPT for all of us, and we can follow that same prompting sequence for creating a home buyer guide. But this is pretty good. It did not follow my advice. I asked it to focus in the first 10 days with the goal of seeing property, discussing questions about a property, or scheduling a home buying consultation. So let's tell the AI that it did not follow my instructions. Please follow my instructions on the first 10 days. Okay, so there we go. Now we should probably get a better response. So looking at homes, questions, set up a home tour. All right, good consultation. But let's ask the AI to create a little bit of variety. Let's see if it does it. Should be interesting. Please add some variety in the messaging over 10 days. Yeah, yes. With varied messaging. Thank you. Okay, good. Okay, there we go. Much better. This is significantly better. Alternative, we can schedule a home buying consultation where we can discuss, figure out, right, answer any questions. Much better. Based upon your interest in, I found a couple of properties that might be a great fit. Property details 1, 2. That's not necessarily automated, so we have to be careful with that. I would just change this up. This is super important, and just say, what price point and area are you interested in? So I would make a quick update, everybody. I would like to send you a custom list of properties. What price range and area are you interested in? Let's add one simple engagement request within the 10 days. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Step of the 10-day automated consultation. The AI followed our instructions pretty well, and I hope you guys learned a little bit about prompt engineering here. If you want me to send you over this 10-day campaign that I just created for realtor.com's leads, that would be easy to do. Just shoot me an email in the subject line with realtor.com, and I'm happy to help do this for you. Very easy. Hey guys, if you want this entire ChatGPT thread, I'm just going to put the link down below in the description box. You can click that link and it'll open up in ChatGPT and you can save it for yourself. Go all the way down to the very bottom of that. It's a long one, but at the very bottom, you're going to get the final product, and you can just copy that and you can then go use that right now for your realtor.com lead 10-day text message and email thread. Run a test on that, and I hope that that gets you better results. While you're down there below, make sure you check out any of the referral and sponsorship links to support my channel and to help me out. So thank you for doing that. I hope you enjoyed this great session.